How to open up a shop on Zazzle and start selling. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to open an account and also a shop within a Zazzle. So all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is right here visit Zazzle.com, and this is the official website. As you can see here we have the platform. It is a lot resembling to Etsy, I think. So we are going to create an account in this platform, and then we are going to proceed on how we can add the products and also how we can set up the sales channels, or we are going to set the payment methods and etc. So the first thing that you need to do right here is to click on a sell on Zazzle. Right there, we are going to create an account within Zazzle. We are going to click on sell on Zazzle again. Here, you have the possibility to set up an email or the, let's say, the traditional method, which is setting the email, confirming the email. Then you are going to set everything manually, or you can choose Facebook, Google, or Apple to proceed with the procedure. So I'm going to proceed with Google because I have a lot of Google accounts that I have set for testing. As you can see here, I have set my Google account. Right there, we have a little disclaimer. Everything created in this video, such as email addresses, phone numbers, and everything are created for the sake of the video. Here, you need to set up your own information to make everything work. Here, as you can see, the requirements to open a store, you need a valid email address to use on Zazzle for sign in. So we are going to check our Gmail box to confirm. Then we are going to set everything for the shop. After we have finished setting up our account from the email, I have created a password. And this password can be provided within the email with a link to create a new password. So we have set everything, and here we have our account connected or signed in. All we need to do right there is to click on a sell on this left sidebar. So we have gifts, trending, here we have the trending products, we have the stuff, and we can explore and create some stuff. So we are going to click on create or sell. And here, sell on Zazzle, make money doing what you love. Here's why you should join Zazzle. You can go ahead and read here all the benefits of having an account, also a store within Zazzle. So we are going to click on start selling right there. I'm going to start selling. Here we are going to set up a store name. So let's go ahead and think of a name right there. I'm going to maybe set Jack Smith clothing, for example, or designs like that. I'm going to click I'm not a robot, or there solved CAPTCHA. So we need to set this. Here it will take a little bit of time right there within these new CAPTCHAs. I don't know why, but we are going to create our store. Click on create, and here we have the right to edit the store information or continue providing some more information. So you can make this store private. You can go ahead and see more information by clicking what's this. So the tagline, we are going to set, for example, some taglines. Let's say that we're going to set top designs, and the about. Or here we have a little description or a biography of your store. For example, you are going to set up, let's say that we are going to put a biography or a description of the store we provide. For example, we provide only the best quality over here. And for that, we are going to set something like over here from designs and everything. This is just an example to give you a hint or how we can work with that. So we have a store banner image. You can go ahead and add an image from there. You can go ahead and upload a media. For example, I'm going to use, let's say that we are going to use something like that. This is just an example for the storefront. I'm going to wait for the image to be uploaded. As you can see here, this image is below the minimum size requirements. It is 800 by 800. Go ahead and get this image. You can go ahead and edit it or crop it or whatever. In my case, I will not do that because it will take a little bit of time. So I will help you right there to see the size that you need. It is 800 by 800. So we are going right there to ignore that. For the website URL, it is not required, but if you have a website, for example, or a store outside Zazzle like Shopify, WooCommerce, or and etc., you can go ahead and paste that link. For the tags right there, you are going to set some tags. I'm going to set design, for example, and we are going to add some tags like let's say here shirts, POD or print on demand, personalized, like that, and etc. Here you are going to set the location right here. Go ahead and set a location, a state, and also a country. It is up to you. I'm going to use, for example, the United States as an example. So we are going to use the United States. Where is the United States? It's okay. I'm going to set the UK. You can go ahead and submit everything right there. Now we have successfully created our store. Here, the next step is to design the clothes or the product. So we have a lot of categories. As you can see, we have also a lot of genre. For example, we have the categorized for home, sports and games. We have mugs, pillows, and etc. Clothings, we have t-shirts, men clothings, hats, and everything. We have invitations, arts, right there are some electronics, iPhone cases, and here for the electronics, it is set for the cases and also the phone accessories or the mouse pads and etc. So we are going to design something much simpler. So I'm going to choose a mug, for example. Go ahead and click on the thing that you need to do. I told you before that this is like Etsy, uh, but right here we are going we see and we feel that it is like not Etsy but like Printify. So Printify will let you see here the mockups and also the spaces that we can upload the designs on. For example, I'm going to use this mug. This is a simple mug. This is a white mug. You can go ahead and see all right here the borders or the corners of that specific mug. And then we are going to customize that design. So we are going to click on customize and here we have the whole mug. So for example, you can go ahead and set whatever you want for that mug. We have some spaces. You can see here, keep your important content inside this dotted line. So here we need to set up the important parts. For example, if you are going to set some text, put it right there. If you are going to set a photo, put it also right there. Now I'm going to add a element or a text first. So happy morning, for example, happy morning coffee. Click on OK. And here, as you can see, we have the cup. So we have the little preview from there. So you can see here we have the preview. Now I'm going to set that happy coffee right there because I want it with this specific handheld right there cup. I'm going to put it right there at the top maybe. And for the elements, you can go ahead and add in any element right there. For the background, you can set a background color like that, or let it white, for example, or transparent as it is. Now for the product, it is here the definition of that specific product. I'm going back to add an image, for example, like this one. So let's say that we are going to set this image. And now I'm going to put this image backward like that. Make it like that maybe. And boom. You can go ahead and make it bigger to cover the whole cup. For example, like that. Don't forget that we have the preview in here. And boom. You can go ahead and set, for example, let's say two different sides or sides like that. Here we have the preview. You can zoom in and see the preview and the result. Right here we have this half of the cup, or the behind half of the cup is empty. You can go ahead and add another design, for example, like that. I'm going to set it like this, the same size, paste it to the first one, and make it like that. So we have the infinite effect, or the two sides are covered. As you can see, you can play with this around and make, for example, two different images or two different designs, and boom. Here we have the cup. You can change the image. You can add some filters, crop it, set the aspect ratio, fill it, and a lot of options. You can also add some icons. For example, we have cats, and these icons I'm going to let you see right there. For example, I'm going to delete these photos. So we are going to set right there the cat, and that specific cat, we can change the color of it like that. And right here we are going to add another face for that cat to the second part, or the other part from there. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to try and make it smaller like that. This part, to not miss everything or anything for any part. This too needs to be like that. So I'm going to let you see here the preview is a little bit better than the photo, and the design is cool. So all we need to do right there is to finish everything. If you have made a text, for example, right there, you can go ahead and modify it for the alignment. You can set a grid lines. You can group some images right there and everything. For example, like that, you can group whatever you want from there. And when you finish, you are going to click on done. And here we have the item, as you can see. So I will see here if everything is good. I think it is. We can sell it. You can post a product for sale if the design contains icons or content that you don't own. So we are going to delete those. We are going to set back the image here. We are going to set it like that. Doesn't matter. I will let you see here how we can do that. So we are going to click on sell it just to proceed for the other process. We have the title, super, for example, mug. Marketplace department, you are going to set the marketplace. Here we have set it on drinkware, mugs and cups. Description, you are going to set a description. For example, I'm going to summarize this into only 2 words, which is the same title. The product merchandising, you can go ahead and set, for example, for travel, coffee only, and whatever, or all options. Here you can change the options. For example, for it here, they can add some add-ons or some supplements for the design. They can be added like that. For example, they can get this mug, this ceramic mug also, and this aluminum mug with the image printed. Here we have the steel color. They can have the white or the stainless steel. For example, these are the options that are available. The Zazzle here, the platform set this automatically. So the categories, you can go ahead and set the category. For example, expression, holidays, occasions, or other. Everyday events, I'm going to set here everyday events. For the store category, you can set a new product or change it. I'm going to let it here a store product. You can add some recipients for everyone. And for the collection, you're going to set a collection or create a new collection. Tags, for example, mug, super, or coffee. A coffee, for example, lovers like that, and etc. For the additional information, you can go ahead and set the suitable audience. Here, the product visibility and also the customize it button. In my case, I will not show it as customize it, or you can sell it as customizable. It is okay. I think that this step is going to be for the blank ones. I don't know. For the your royalty information, sorry, here we have the royalty percentage. You can go ahead and see that the price is fixed. Since this product is new, you have 24 hours to finalize your royalty percentage right there. I'm going to set here and click on post it. So we are going to see here the departments. We need to set it for any department or there, and then we are going to click on post it. What else? We have something else right there. I don't see. But select a marketplace. Here we are going to set home living department. Let's go ahead and choose a department or kitchen and dining. Select a department. Drinkware. Yes, please. We're going mugs and cups. Okay. This is a little bit here annoying, but I don't know why. So the title, description, for example, I'm going to set this. Here everything is in order. I don't know why it is keeping setting this. For example, wait, this is a Peggy 13, for example. I'm going to post it. Here we are going to click OK, and I think the product is posted. You can go ahead and get the notification or the address right there. The store, here we have the store link. You can customize your store from there. Here we have the customization of the store. You can set right there, let's say, I don't know, you can set whatever you want from there. We have the products, we have the collections. You can manage also your followers. You can see the reviews that any of the customers that have set for you, and etc. This is very easy and very simple. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.